What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to address the issue or the thought or the question, is 2021 too late to start a YouTube channel? Now, I got some really shocking, really dope, really great statistics to talk about in the YouTube hemisphere that are going to give you a little perspective and thought that you can think about as to answering that question. Is it too late? Has the ship sailed? So the first thing I want you to keep in mind and think of that there is over 2 billion logged in, emphasis on logged in users monthly on YouTube. The reason why I put an emphasis on logged in is because if they're logged in, they have the opportunity to subscribe to your channel. That's a humongous audience to be able to offer your value and your content to. It doesn't stop there though, hold on. 74% of all adults in the US all use YouTube, as well as 77% of the ages 13 years old up to 35 years old all are using YouTube. Do you hear me? 80% of US parents who have a child under 11 years old report that their child is watching YouTube. Do you guys understand the words that are coming out of my mouth and the amount of eyeballs and opportunities you have to have your YouTube channel be seen amongst this immense audience? It is the world's second most visited largest website in the world. Second to its parent company, Google.com. Google owns YouTube. Google's number one, YouTube's number two. I think you guys need to think about that. In the world. It's the second in the world. We all use Google and we all use YouTube. It's a fact. It's factual. The second most used social media platform is YouTube. Number one is Facebook. And Facebook is huge amongst people for connecting to others and family members. And the next place that they're going is YouTube. Think about that. People watch more than 1 billion hours a day of YouTube videos. 1 billion hours more. These are all opportunities. You guys, you know, people get all, oh, I don't want other people to come into YouTube and steal my views and all that. People get jealous. Yes, I'm gonna talk about it. Oh, we're gonna talk about the real YouTube streets out here. And it's so sad because there's enough for everyone. Now, also another cool statistic is 40.9% of this viewership happens on a smartphone. All in all, in a nutshell, I threw those statistics out there for those people who are naysayers who say, oh, YouTubers this is just a hobby, they need to get a real job. You guys need to understand these numbers have been going up year after year. Traditional media is no longer the thing. The brand new media is social media. Keep that in mind. There is more than enough opportunity for you to start a channel and grow. Now, is it easy? Absolutely not. Will it be hard? Yes. For some, harder than others. You have to do your research. You have to be very strategic in how you attack the YouTube platform because you have to come to understand it. Research it. There's tools out there that can help you. Tools like one that I use every single time I upload a video, which is called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is like the perfect tool, the perfect sidekick to YouTube that helps you optimize your video for SEO and search performance. You guys can help your videos get in front of viewers that you normally wouldn't by using certain keywords, targeting a certain audience, and having TubeBuddy like assist you with statistical data that helps you make a more informed decision. I have a link down in the description below if you guys want to check out TubeBuddy. I absolutely love TubeBuddy. I've been using it ever since I first started here on YouTube, which is, 3 or so years back on my main channel. And this is my side channel. I'm using TubeBuddy here too as well. So check it out. TubeBuddy.com/CJKnowsTech. Go check it out if you guys want to help grow your YouTube channel and have that sidekick that's in your browser. Like literally every time you're in the YouTube platform, you're gonna see TubeBuddy assisting you in so many different minute ways. I'll make a dedicated video to TubeBuddy very soon in the near future. It's very funny because who would have ever thought that YouTube would have became as big as it is now? It started off in many ways other than what it is now, but it has evolved and it has grown and matured into something extremely valuable and huge in today's everyday life. So don't feel discouraged. The whole point of me creating this Creator Hustle channel is to challenge myself as well as you to create the side hustles and grinds, build businesses, but also for those YouTube creators who want to do YouTube, I'm offering up years and years of experience that I've went through, scraping my knee, falling, bumping my head, so that you hopefully can skip a few of those steps and just get straight to the, the burn and the grind and just winning. I want to see you win as much as I want to see myself win. Because obviously there's enough people, for all of us to win. Now, another great tool I'm gonna offer up, this is a tool that I use as well, because in the creativity process, especially on YouTube, another key thing that you might hear and see on other videos is music and sound effects. So I use a service called Epidemic Sound. You have to have proper licensing and copyright permission in order to use anyone's music or sound effects on your videos. That's where Epidemic Sound comes in. They have removed that stressful part of it and have built a model where if you have a valid subscription with them and you create any content within that valid subscription, you are covered from any copyright strikes or negative marks on your YouTube channel. So what I'm gonna do for you today is give you a 30-day free trial to Epidemic Sound. The link is down in the description below. So pick up both of them. Pick up two, buddy. Pick up Epidemic Sound or start with one or the other. Either way, these are two great tools to start you on your journey in 2021 and beyond. So if you haven't caught the drift already, this is a great channel to subscribe to. I'm gonna be pumping out a ton of YouTube help content as well as business, finances, and all that stuff, because I've evolved from just a YouTube creator to a full-time YouTuber to having a full-on business entity. And I'm finna expand that. That's why I'm gonna be creating other side hustles, doing investments, getting my personal finances intact. That's what Create a Hustle is all about. So join the hustle family. Hit that subscribe button down low, smash that like button to let everyone else know. My name is CJ, this is Create a Hustle.
Where do I begin?